Hi everyone, I am Professor Shalini from Mechanical Department. In next lecture of term, we will see few concepts involved in damped linear vibrations. Okay, let us consider a mass suspended on a spring with dashboard between mass and support. Suppose this is support and here spring is suspended. Okay, which has spring thickness. Which has spring thickness as K, okay, and suppose this is mass which is given by capital M, okay, this is mass, okay, which is given by capital M, okay, mass is generally kg, okay, and K is in Newton per meter, okay, so, and here we will consider one dashboard, okay, suppose this dashboard or dashboard damping coefficient, we will consider it as C, that is damping coefficient. Let damping coefficient be C, okay. Here force will be exerting in downward direction, okay, and let force be F, okay. Here if a force is applied to mass, this mass M, it is opposed by three forces. Which are that three forces? Here we can say that it is number one, suppose we will write it down, inertia force. Second one, it is damping force, okay, as we have taken damping coefficient C. And third one will be spring force exerted by spring, okay. Okay, what will be here inertia force? We will take inertia force as Fi. What will be? It will be mass into acceleration. What is mass? Cm. And acceleration d square x upon dt with respect to dt. It is double in differentiation of x respect with dt. And we will again find damping force. Let us take as damping force as Fd. What is Fd? Constant into velocity. What is damping coefficient here? C. And what is velocity? Dx upon dt. Differentiation of x with respect to dt. Okay. We will take here spring force as Fs and it will be Kx. What is K here? It is nothing but spring thickness. Okay. Stiffness. Sorry. Therefore, what will be total force? It will be addition of all these forces, okay? It will be total force. That is total force is equal to Fi plus Fd plus Fs, okay? Therefore, total force F will be m d square x upon dt square plus c dx upon dt upon dt plus kx here, okay. As we all know, the vibrations are free, the applied force must be 0, okay. When, for example, when you let go it, when we leave the spring, okay, in such case total force will be 0, okay. Then what will 0 is equal to m d square x upon dt square plus c dx upon dt plus k x, okay. As we all know, this is nothing but linear second order differential equation, okay, which we already have studied in maths, okay. First we will divide, we will make changes in this equation. First we will divide each term by k, then what we will obtain m upon k d square x upon dt square plus c k d square dx upon dt, and here only x will be left, okay, as we divide it by k, okay. Next we will see, as we all know, in work on undamped vibration, we have seen that without a dashboard natural oscillations occur, okay, which has angular, in which we have taken angular frequency as omega n. What is omega n? Under root k divided by m, and this angular velocity is generally taken, its unit is nothing but radian per second. Okay, in this equation, in our previous equation here, we are taking m upon k. Okay, here we will replace it by formula of angular frequency. Okay, therefore we will take 0 is equal to 1 upon omega square n d square x upon dt square plus ck upon ck into dx upon dt plus x. Okay, as we all know, we need to start with definition. Okay, we are using here critical damping coefficient. Okay, what is formula for critical damping coefficient? We all know Cc. Okay, it is under root 4 km. Okay, and it has same unit as that of C, that is damping coefficient. Okay, and generally this ratio of C upon Cc is generally called as damping ratio. Ratio of nothing but damping coefficient upon critical damping coefficient is called as damping ratio, and it is defined by del. Okay, what is del? Del is equal to C upon Cc. We will put formula for Cc, that is under root 4m k. Here we are finding this term. Okay, 4m k. Okay, we will take 4 out of under root, that is 2 under root m k. Okay, that is, we all know what we can obtain from here in terms of omega n. Okay, that is equal to 2 k under root k by m. Okay, therefore we can obtain del is equal to 2 c 2k under 2k into omega n. Okay, that is 2 c upon k is equal to 2 del omega n. Okay, here we can put this value of ck, suppose star, into equation 1. Okay, we will put that value in equation 1. Okay, then we can obtain it as 0 is equal to 1 upon omega square n d square x upon dt square plus 2, we will put 2 del upon omega n. Okay, omega n dx upon dt plus x. Okay, and we will multiply here each term by omega n. Okay, then we can obtain it as 0 is equal to d square x upon dt square plus 2 del omega n dx upon dt plus omega n square x. Okay, we all know standard equation. What is standard equation? X is equal to ae at the rate at plus be minus bt. Okay, now here you all know this a and b are constant of integration. Okay, we can obtain a is equal to bracket omega n del square minus 1 minus 1 bracket complete, and we can obtain b as b is equal to omega n del square minus 1 plus 1 whole bracket complete. Okay, we can obtain resulting graph of displacement with respect to time. Okay, and it depends upon damping coefficient. Okay, and hence we can find the value of C. In this we want to consider 3 main cases, that is under damping, critical damping and over damping, and we want to plot that curve. Okay, we will see over damping, under damping and critical damping. Okay, in which we want to study del and this critical damping ratio, critical damping coefficient and this damping ratio. In this lecture we have studied how to obtain damping ratio. Okay, and we have seen formula for critical damping. Okay, we will now see under damping. Okay, or underdamped. Okay, when underdamped occurs when our del, that is damping ratio, is less than 1 and our damping coefficient is less than critical damping coefficient. Okay, let us assume that let t is equal to 0 and x is equal to capital C. Okay, at this moment when we release the mass we get oscillation, but in which we get co-sinusoidal oscillations we get. Okay, and this, in this case we can write our displacement equation as x is equal to C e raised to minus del omega n t cos omega t. Okay, we obtain here co-sinusoidal oscillation. For example, we will draw graph for it. Suppose this is displacement plus 10 minus 10. How we will obtain co-sinusoidal wave? Okay, this is having C is equal to C minus C e raised to minus omega del omega n t. Okay, and this is nothing but capital T. Okay, we can see by this graph that the result, if mass is pulled up down 10 unit and it is released, we get that value of C is equal to minus 10. Okay, in next lecture we will see critical damped and over damped. Okay, thank you.